What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So we have another product review video, actually two products today. The first one, these traction board by Bunker Industry. So as you guys saw about a month ago, the video of us getting stuck, well, Johnny Taco getting stuck in the snow, we were able to use my MaxTraxx, and then these were on his truck. We were able to use these by Bunker Industry, these traction board as well, to get himself out. So I was curious to see the difference between the MaxTraxx and these, and so I reached out to Bunker Industry and Vic Off-Road on Instagram, and they were able to send us out a pair of these traction board as well as a kinetic rope that Johnny also used. It's about 30 feet of kinetic rope. I always wanted some kinetic rope because it's just a little bit better than a recovery strap in itself when it comes to pulling somebody out sand, mud. So it's nice to have some kinetic rope. But yeah, so we'll go into the unboxing of these traction board by Bunker Industry and Vic Off-Road, and then do a little comparison against my MaxTraxx. All right, let's do it. So these are recovery boards by Bunker Industry. So they sent us out to see if we want to test it out. So they have a few different options when it comes to this traction board compared to the MaxTraxx, and I'll show you guys once we do the unboxing of these traction board. But there's two pieces here, a set of these traction boards. So let's do the unboxing of these traction board real quick. Alright, it came with a carrying case, which is nice. Oh yeah, the MaxTraxx is just a little bit smaller. Alright, as you can see, the width wise, I'm not going to see that. There it is, better. Just a little bit smaller. Let's see. I'll say about 10 inches right here. It's definitely like a little bit over 10 inches. Yeah, and it's a little bit longer. Maybe just a tad longer. But diameter wise, it's definitely wider. Let's see if I can measure that. So that's about, yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe it's the same size when it comes to the middle section of the MaxTraxx with these. Alright, so for test purpose, we're going to just do one, and then we'll use one of the MaxTraxx to see how these things stack up. So it's a little sandy section over there, and then we'll test it out. Alright, so this is for test purpose only, entertainment purpose. So this super sandy section right here. So I'm currently not stuck, but I'm gonna put on 2-wheel drive, and I'm gonna dig a hole real quick to see if we get the rear tires in there, and then we'll put the traction board to use. So let me dig a hole real quick and see how it is. Alright, it's not the best. I'm gonna put everything back the way it is, but yeah, for entertainment purpose only. It's not that deep because the sand right now is kind of like wet underneath, so it's harder to dig. So you won't get stuck normally, but we'll put the two traction board next to each other and test them out.
Okay, it seemed like nothing's bending with this. Everything held up really well. So, I mean, yeah, it's not bent or anything. Pretty straight still. MaxTraxx, same. I feel like the MaxTraxx, the plastic is a little bit harder. That's all I've noticed, but yeah, this traction board looked really well. I like how big the footprint of the traction board is. So yeah, I obviously not stuck. I'm out here by myself. No, I'm not trying to get super stuck. So just for entertainment purpose, but and testing out purpose. But yeah, it works. Definitely seen it in action myself too. So I'll put these away, and then yeah, it's kind of cool to test it out though. All right, guys, gonna test out the traction board here. There's a little rut here. I can test it out, see all the flex, how much bend it has. Yeah, it's definitely a little bended compared to, it's not straight, a little bended, and some of the teeth right here is got gouged out, but yeah, it works. Pretty cool.
Go down.
Should I back up a little more?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah. Out of that rut and about maybe 32 forward. Tacoma from death.
That was
Man,
gnarly.
the last trip.
All right, I think we got ourselves out of that messy situation.
Get back in your car.
What?
Alright guys, so what's my honest opinion of these traction board by Bunker Industry and Big Off-Road? I really like them for what it is. Definitely when you come to off-roading, you need something like this to help you self-recover. And having MaxTraxx or traction board in general does help. So my MaxTraxx, the one thing I did notice is that the plastic is definitely a little bit thicker compared to this one. This one, as you can see, is not as thick. A little flimsier. However, it does do the job. I mean, it's not worn out. I like the fact that these metal part right here come in the beginning, because these are I had another traction board before, and usually this area gets worn out first for some reason. So it's nice that they put these metal right here, and the teeth really help with the traction on your tires and whatnot. And when these wore out, as you can see, when I did that one going over the one section, it kind of worn out some of these teeth, so it's nice that they give you extra just in case, so you can, you know, take these out and replace them with the new one. But yeah, it performed like it should, and obviously we didn't encounter a crazy situation where we actually test these out to the stream, but it's definitely going to be in my truck this coming year, and see how it performs. So hopefully we can get more content with this, getting stuck somewhere where we can actually use these by this traction board Bunker Industry and really test them out. But yeah, for what it is, the test that I did do, it actually works. So, and you guys saw with Johnny's footage that it does work in the snow as well. The kinetic rope, however, I didn't get a chance to use because obviously with kinetic rope, you want to make sure that you're a super stuck situation with sand and mud. This is when kinetic rope come in handy. So it's nice having these in my recovery gears just in case, but I do have strap already, but these are much more safer than strap when it comes to pulling somebody out of deep sand and mud, because yeah, you don't want strap, because you know, when you pull, you need that kinetic energy, and these were the best way of pulling somebody out of a deep mud or sand. So alright guys, well, hope you enjoyed that video. If you have any questions regarding these products, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll put all the information in the description as well. And yeah, thank you Bunker Industry and Big Off-Road for sending these out. Definitely gonna be using them. and part of my recovery kit. And yeah, so far so good, guys. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye.